Hello students, in the previous lesson we have done the task 12A and 12B. Uh, Now in 12C you have to open the saved file 12B that you make in 12B, and what we have to do, the image trees.jpg has been taken on a digital camera. Place this image to the right of the table aligned to the right margin. Resize this image if needed. In this lesson we just learn how to resize the image, and how again we align this in the right margin of the table. So I am going to the file, and here is the tree.jpg. First of all, I again wrap this into a square and resize this image from this resizing handle from the any corner. Okay, if this is our rotation handle and this is our resizing handle, and we can move from this handle. So I resize it in this manner. This can be according to our table size, and I also adjust the table in to fit to content. For fitting to content table, you also go to table design or layout, and you click on the auto fit content from here, and you also fit to content by right click on the table and auto fit to content. So now you have a space here, and you bring this image to the top side and in the right side of the table. So I just pick this picture on the top side, and I think I have to adjust it here. In this lesson only we have to align this image in the right margin side of this table. So I align this by clicking on the again position and more layout position, and in the alignment right side and in the right margin. Okay, so this was the task 12C. So what we are in the task 12D. In task 12D we have to crop this image to 25% from the bottom side. So remove the bottom side 25%. I again go this file, and here is the 50%, and if I see, I think here is the 25%. So if you want to resize full accurate, you have to see the height from here. This is now 4.75, and I resize it to 4, and now this according to aspect ratio, this is crop. So I click on this crop button, and I have to crop this image by 25% from the bottom side. So I just click on the crop button, and you can see these handles, and I crop it a little bit, I think from this place. So this is I think not full, not accurate 25%, but almost 25%, and then I click on the crop button. So in this lesson we do the complete this task 12D. Okay, now I am going to do the task 12D. This is also in the same file. We have to open the task 12D and reflect the image snowman to JPG. Snowman faces and other two images. Okay, we have so that the snowman faces to other two images, which means we have to change the reflect the snowman JPEG. So for reflecting, we have to go with the 3D rotation, and this is also from the X rotation, Y rotation, and Z rotation. We have to flip this image. When we are going to and ask from the for rotation, we are also having the rotation handle, and we can rotate this image from any direction. But what is reflect? Reflect, we also can reflect from this button by horizontal. By I click on this image, and now its face is in this pictures. Okay, on the right side. Now this is seeing these two images. But what we have to do, we have to do from the 3D reflection, and that is you click on this image or click on format picture. When you click on this format picture, this side panel open, and you just go with the 3D rotation, and you click on the X rotation 180 degree, and now you can see the face to this side. So I again now close this panel. Now you can see its face is the direction is to these two images. So now we completed the task 20E. In this lesson we completed 3 tasks, and if you have any question about these tasks, you can ask from me. And you are also having the book, and if you also read these steps, and if you have any question and query, you can ask me in comments. You also can call me. Hope you understand it. Thanks.